Enjoy your meal, sweetie.
Yeah, yum.
How did he eat all of that?
I want chocolate!
Delicious chocolates here! The best chocolates in the world!
What if... What is this?
Hello, police! A fat cat broke into our shop. It is eating all the burgers. We can't stop it. Please help.
Don't you worry. We are coming over right now to solve the problem.
Where is my little baby? My sweet baby. I was so scared something would happen to you. We're driving in our car today. Hooray, hooray!
Yes!
Driving in our car, it's a happy, happy day. This is nice. I'm going to do the laundry. Watch the TV quietly here, baby. help! Something's happened to my little baby!
Ma'am, he just fell asleep.
This isn't blood.
Wake up, sweetie!
Get away from the truck!
Oh my goodness, look at the kitten!
Oh my gosh, look at the mess!
Is that really the kitten? It's eating the whole cone.
Run! Look at the eyes!
It's got the ice cream. Get out of the way!
Dios mío, look at that beast!
It's gonna eat everything!
Dios mío, miren eso!
¡Corran! ¡Vámonos de aquí! Get back! It's a monster! Run!
Hello, police! A monster is destroying my store! Send help immediately!
There's a very dangerous monster inside. We're going in to catch it. Be very careful.
It's coming right for us! Don't let it get away!
All units, hold your position! Do not let it break containment!
But look at it! It's heartbroken!
Come on over. The flavors are fresh today.
Ooh, can I please have the blue one with sprinkles? Oh my God, what beautiful ice creams! Can I have one too, please?
Here you go, sweet kitty. Here is the world's most delicious ice cream. Enjoy!
How are his vitals?
They're dropping fast.
Page surgery now.
The vital signs are stable, but look at it!
This is impossible! Oh my god, what is that?
Get back, it's everywhere!
We have to get out of here now!
We have to get to the lower level! Look out, the sparks! Keep running, don't stop!
I will solve all the problems and heal the kitten.